selling Deco XE75 AXE5400 Wi-Fi mesh router, pack of 2, purchased from Amazon. Bill value of 23,000. MRP of this product is 35,999. This is the outer coverage. White hard cardboard. Two big cylinders, two big independent routers, some cushioning. This is the size of my hand compared to the router. Plastic covering is there. Deco 6E. This supports 6 GHz band. The ports are open and the plastic covering is given on top. 1 power and 3 Ethernet ports. So some serial number is given. This is how the router looks like. Second router, it's very lightweight. Both of them are approximately 300 grams. You can see in the box. The Deco setup process is given as step 1, download the Deco app. Step 2, turn off your modem. Step 3, plug in the modem and a Deco. Step 4, open the app to finish setup. Let's see where are the adapters. Ethernet cable, quick installation guide and Ethernet cable. You can see 2 adapters are given, one on the left side, one on the right side. Two adapters, one Ethernet cable. Nothing else is there in the box. Keep the box aside and open one of the adapters. A 24 watt adapter output, 12 volt, 2 ampere. Let's open the quick installation guide. It also has an Ethernet cable. Yes, if you buy two single Deco products, they will give you two Ethernet cables, one along with each. But since we have purchased two pack of two, they have given only one. This is the Ethernet cable. It's a very thin one. Has nice texture. Approximate size would be, I open this, it's a meter in length. So the quick installation guide, it's available in different languages. English is certainly there. Warranty card is present. The bill itself, I think, is the warranty card. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. This is the TP-Link Deco XE75 AXE5400. It provides speed up to 5.4 GB.